Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the strategic marketing position of understanding how it differentiates itself in a competitive landscape and delivers unique value to its target audience. So let's go to data, insert data from file. Here I'll take the market positioning data. You can load the data. We don't want to transfer any of the field that is there, so I will directly click on load. So you can see the categories like product positioning, consumer demographics, product category, and if it is seasonal or not. If you could see that product category is clothing, electronics, and food. So here you would go to, you'll select the whole sheet and go to insert. Here pivot table, I will use that product positioning in new worksheet. So here I will go for different product category. At the same time, I'll use which of the product category made the highest sales. If I will use this table in a recommended chart, if it say this one, see the grid line we can delete, we can hide the filled buttons, hide excess buttons. We'll just, the data labels will ensure it should be in proper format. So here what we can see that the highest revenue or the sales volume is coming from clothing, after that electronics, and after that food. So if we are going to think about that, let's see, I just need to use this. I just do this product design. We can go for any of the color that will be little aesthetic. Okay, so here what we could see that the clothing brand are making the most of the sales. Next we could see that if there is a consumer demographics, we would see each of the consumer demographics what are the sales. I need to do that in another table, I think. What we could see, what are the prices? Okay, prices could not be a thing. Product position, if you would see, end cap, front of store. There are three, that is end cap, front of store, and different. If I would go for that, I would change the whole data labels. Here you can see that in the aisle, end cap, and the front store, aisle is going for most of the uh, things in aisle is doing. I think the three category they are doing fine. Next, if we could see that, if I would go for another one, like I was saying, consumer demographics, I want to see. Otherwise, rather than doing this, we could just use slicer. Slicer in consumer demographics. Just okay. So, if I am going to use for college student clothing is the highest. Say, if you would say families, if families they are using clothing as well as food, so it as well as electronics also. Seniors, electronics and food are the highest, and young adults they are most often using clothing and electronics rather than food. So from this you can find out what are the positioning, what are the data, and analyze a bit more. Thank you.